in this one. Where are we going?
To the beach!
To the beach. It looks cloudy here, like where we are, but we're driving almost 2 hours to get to the beach. Normally I take them to the lake, but today we're gonna meet up with a bunch of friends and we're gonna go have some fun, right?
Yes! Yeah. I'm so excited because I really want to play with Ellie!
Husband and baby girl are staying home. We're feeling it, I guess. So I was gonna bring her with me, but it is a lot harder to have the two kids with me when it's just me. So they're staying home. So fun times. But you can't go in deep, okay?
Earlier you said right here.
Yeah.
So how far is it?
I don't know.
Can you?
I'll go get them, okay? Hey, you wanted your video? That's just you? Say hi.
I'm digging. They're walking forward and backwards.
Oh, yeah? Alright guys, we are heading home. We were at the beach for a very long time. I think we were there about 5 hours. You tired? Are you tired?
Huh?
Said, are you tired?
Yes. I had fun in
It's a really nice beach, super clean. The water is clean and pretty clear, and the sand's really nice. There's seashells everywhere. It's really pretty, and then you get to see the houses on the cliffs off the beach. It's really nice, so it's a good spot. We really like it. That's it for now. So don't forget to subscribe and follow and like and all that good stuff, and say bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good time.